Hey friends, we're going to go ahead and look at a product for windows to keep any moisture out. All right friends, so this product is called Protecto Wrap. I became aware of it just recently. I'd always used a Tyvek product called Straight Flash. It's essentially the same thing. This thing's quite a bit cheaper. So about half the cost, and it is sticky just like the Straight Flash. So I'm using this now because if it does the same job and it's less expensive, might as well try it, huh? So what it does, this wrap, is it goes on the sides and the top. I still use on the bottom a product called Flex Wrap, and I got another video on that we can look at. But Flex Wrap goes on the bottom, Protecto Wrap or Straight Flash goes on the sides and then goes over the top. And it covers up your flanges, your nailing flange, so that water doesn't go in behind that nailing flange ever and then get inside your window. So what you'll do with this is you will measure on the sides, and you can either measure it how much you want, or you can just hold it up here. I hold it up just a little bit above the top nailing flange, and then you drop your shoulder strap down and make it really cumbersome and awkward. But then you measure down past your nailing flange on the bottom, and then you get a spot. And if you have a sharp utility knife blade, you can go ahead and cut it. Sharp enough, I guess. So then, here's the tricky part, is peeling off this back paper and not letting it get stuck to anything else, because it's got a really sticky back to it. So we have the sides peeled. We don't want this folding and sticking to anything else. So I just peel a little bit off, and then I'm going to hold it up here, stick it on there, and I'm going to put it right next to the window so it's covering the nailing flange on here. You got to make sure you're pulling both sides, and then you get it stuck on there, and then it really sticks really well. And this Protecto Wrap is some pretty good stuff. It sticks really well, and so I think it's going to do a great job not letting moisture, not letting water or rain get behind your nailing flange. So on new construction, I would highly recommend covering your nailing flanges with this Protecto Wrap or the Tyvek branded Straight Flash. So that's what the sides will look like. And then the top, so I want to do both sides, do this side as well, and then the top I'm going to bring over this one and cover it like that. So kind of like the old trim, like a square trim where you have your sides come up and then your top piece goes over both sides. All right, so now both sides are done. Now I'm going to do the top. And I want it to go from here all the way over to here. What What you don't want to do, in my opinion, is to take this whole thing off, because then it will end up folding and sticking to itself and essentially wasting the whole piece. It is super sticky stuff, which is great. That's what we want. But we don't want it sticking to itself. So, get this over here. That's no bueno right there. Oh, come on, girl. Oh, got it. Good, good. All right, so now we have our finished window right here. That is Protecto Wrap or straight flash. Functions exactly the same. So that's what I recommend, friends, when after you install your window, after you have all the nails in the flanges on new construction. Yeah, the chicken will tell you. We need to put a straight flash or Protecto Wrap, something to cover up those nail flanges. Thanks for watching, friends.